What today will be is a bit more interactive in the sense that we are going to discuss hiring strategies and in particularly some hiring questions because we've been working through the theme of identifying right person, right seats for your organization, right?
The mindset that the leader should have, that compassion is not the same as tolerance for underperformance. It's compassionate to address misalignment early and to recognize it early. And it's not compassionate or kindness if you let it slip through the cracks. It's avoidance.
Being part of a team is a privilege to be part of his team and that it's not jail. They're free to walk out anytime they want.
Psychologists, for the lack of a better word, there's many studies. If we're going to paint the human race with a wide brushstroke, show us that we've only got 72 hours at the maximum, for most of us, 48 hours to implement something that we've learned new, or we will never implement it, and it's information that then becomes wasted.
And the one most leaders and organizations don't place enough value is this person a culture fit, right? Because we're so worried about the job and the task and the competency piece. And so hiring the right person can make it or break it for your organization. Beyond qualifications, experience, culture fit is truly what will determine whether someone belongs. So do not confuse culture fit for likability, right? It's again, let me stress this again. It's about shared values. It's about ways of working together to support each other and understanding will they thrive in your environment. Do not confuse culture fit with personal chemistry. Hearing I like someone isn't the same as fit. I have met and interviewed many people that I like. I think they're great, nice people, but they're not the ones that I want for my team because too many like you will not have diversity in the team. So you're gonna want to have a diverse background. You're gonna want to have a good mix of people with different thoughts, beliefs, and experiences that are going to challenge the culture and improve the culture. So what kind of work environment brings out the best in you? You ask that to a candidate. Okay. This reveals how someone operates and whether they thrive in your goal setting environment. If there's something that's constant in business, is change, right? It's always changing. Businesses are always evolving, whether that's people, processes, or systems, change happens. What motivates you beyond a paycheck? If they're just here for the paycheck, you need to know that's a red flag, right? They're not going to be a culture fit if all they care about is the dollar per hour. Now, I'm a team guy. I played sports all my life and I truly love team environments. So I always ask, what's the best team you've worked with and describe it for me? Tell me about the best team you worked with. Describe it to me. What did you like? What didn't you like? What was some of the fun points about it?
Once I learned this framework, how to do an interview with our core values, it just made all the difference for us to finding the right people for our team. If a person drains my energy instead of fuels it, or you have to keep micromanaging them and they're creating constant conflict, that's a clear sign.
It's about creating teams where people feel seen, supported, and set up for success. Understanding the value of culture fit over core competency and core trade expertise needed because culture fit outweighs that other skill set in the long term. We're all humans, and because we're humans, we're all different, and some people become very nervous at interviews, extremely nervous.
I don't know if I want to say suffer, but I've struggled with test anxiety and not interviewing well myself.
It's like the saying that we talked about a few weeks ago goes, hire slow, fire fast. I need to know that when shit hits the fan, you're going to have the right attitude and the right work ethic to stand side by side with me and hit that storm and not run away or make excuses. Like that for me is more important. I want you to learn the environment. I want you to learn the people you're going to work with. And I want you to see and hear some of the challenges that they're going to face. And if you like it, then we're going to bring you on. We'll pay you for your time. And if this isn't for you, then I'm going to give you a gift card for your time for coming out.